Hello friends, actually I am getting comments how to enter into settings. So today I will tell you the 5 ways to enter into settings. So this is our Lenovo Tab M8 HD. So let's open it. मैंने ये पोर्शन इसलिए हाइड किया है क्योंकि इसके पीछे बायजूस की आईडी है, आपको पता होगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should have these 3 apps: Gmail, YouTube or Drive. Any one of them you can use them to enter into settings. So let's use YouTube first. Open YouTube, and after opening, go to your account section, this one. Click on this, and from here you have to click on settings, and from here go to captions. This one is captions, and you have entered into captions. Now you have to go to back. Click back, not from here, you have to click back from here. When you click back from here, you will enter into settings. This is the first way to enter into settings. अगर आप यहाँ से बैक करोगे तो वो सेटिंग्स में नहीं जाएगा, वो वापस वहीं पर बैक हो जाएगा. सो ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट वे टू एंटर इनटू सेटिंग्स. ओके, नाउ आई विल टेल यू द सेकंड वे. अगेन गो टू यूट्यूब, and yeah, this is YouTube, and go to your accounts, and from here click your account, and here this is manage accounts. Click on manage accounts. Now accounts has opened. Now you have to click back from here, not from here. Click back from here. I am clicking back. You have again entered into settings. This is the second way to enter into settings. Now third way is open Gmail. From Gmail you have to slide from the left like this type, or you can directly click this one, and there is settings. Click settings, and from here 3 dots, go to manage accounts. You have entered into manage accounts. Now click back from here, not from here, from here. You have again entered into settings. This is the third way. Now again go to home, and fourth way will be again open Gmail. Now click your accounts, and from here manage accounts on this device, and now click back from here. You have again entered into settings. This is the fourth way. Now fifth way is open Drive. After opening the Drive, again you have to do the same process. Click on your account, and from here manage accounts on this device. Now click back from here. This is the fifth way to enter into settings. So these are the 5 ways to enter into settings, and मुझे ज़रूरत थी ताकि अनलॉक करने से पहले I want you to enter into settings, and for Play Store I will tell you in the unlock video itself. So this is the video. If you are appreciating my efforts, you can like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.